With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, here question is let PQ be common chord of the circle S1 is equals to x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 equals to 0 and S2 is equals to this. Then the perimeter of the triangle C1PQ is equal to, and C1 is this, and these are our four options. We have to say which of the following option is correct. Okay students, so let's find this. So PQ is common chord of both the circles. So I'm going to draw two circles. So this is our one circle, okay students, and this is our another circle. Okay, so I will take this bigger. Okay, so now this is our common chord. I will name this as P and I will name this as Q. Okay, I'm going to consider this circle S1 and this circle S2. So center of S1 will be this C1. You can find coefficient of x upon minus 2 will be x coordinate of center. So plus 2 upon minus 2 will be minus 1 over here. And coefficient of y coordinate upon minus 2 means 3 upon minus 2 minus 3 upon 2 will be y coordinate. Okay, so this is our C1. Whose coordinate are minus 1 and minus 3 upon 2. So we have to find perimeter of triangle C1PQ, this triangle. Okay, so we have to find C1P plus PQ plus C1Q. So here if you see, C1P is radius, C1Q is also radius. So this will be R1 plus R1. I will write this R1. So this will become 2R1 plus PQ length. And PQ is length of common chord. Okay students, now I am going to find equation of PQ. Now I am going to find equation of PQ. So equation of common chord, okay students, common chord is S1 minus S2 is equals to 0. So when we will subtract both, see, x square will get cancelled out, y square will get cancelled out, 2x minus 4x, this will become minus 2x. 3y minus 3y will become 0, 1 minus 2, this will become minus 1 is equals to 0. And from here we'll get 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay students, now we have to find distance of this C1. Okay, this distance, suppose this is m. Okay, when we find C1m, we know radius, so from Pythagoras theorem we can find Pm easily, and 2 times Pm will be PQ length. No problem. Now see, this is minus 1, x coordinate is minus 1, and here x coordinate, if we'll see what is this equation of line PQ, this is 2x plus 1 equals to 0, which also means this equation is x is equals to minus 1 upon 2, which also means that x coordinate of every point on this line will be minus 1 upon 2. Okay, and y coordinate of both will be same. Suppose y coordinate is a, so this will also be a, because this is horizontal line, y coordinate will be same. Now C1m, these 2 points C1 and m are horizontal point, so distance C1m will be equals to mod difference of x coordinate. So minus 1 minus minus 1 by 2, minus 1, this x2 minus x1, so minus 1 by 2 will be plus 1 by 2, and this will be minus 1 by 2, minus 1 plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, mod will be 1 by 2. So C1m, this is half, and what is this radius? Now we have to find radius. So r will be equals to root under g square plus f square minus c. or okay, x coordinate of center is square, y coordinate of center is square minus this constant. So minus 1 square will be 1 plus minus 3 upon 2 square. This will be 9 upon 4 minus c, and c is 1. So this both will get cancelled out and will get radius 3 upon 2. Okay. So now PM will be equals to PC1 square minus C1M square. Okay. PM square, by Pythagoras theorem we can write PM square equals to C is hypotenuse square minus this square. So what we can write, PM is equals to a square root. Okay. This is the radius. What is radius? 3 upon 2. So 3 upon 2 square is 9 upon 4. Minus C1M is 1 upon 2. So this will become 1 upon 4. This will become 9 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. 8 upon 4. That will be 2. And this will be a square root 2. Okay. So PM is a square root 2. Which means that PQ will be equals to 2 times a square root 2. Now we can find this. Radius R1 is 3 upon 2. Okay. So 2 times 3 upon 2 plus PQ length, that is 2 root 2. 2 will get cancelled out, and from here you will get 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay students. So option B is correct. Thank you students.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.